This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Miele dishwasher that's not cleaning well, and we think it could be a problem with the water level. Here's the fill valve down here underneath the sink. So I'm going to advance the timer until after I hear it drain. The next thing will be the fill cycle, and I want to set it for fill and just see how high it gets. It should come up where the water just touches the underside of the white plastic filter handle. If it doesn't, it could be a clogged filter on the water inlet, or you might need a new water inlet valve. This video will cover how to clean that. So we got a vibration when it's supposed to fill. That's good. That means it's getting power, but maybe it's clogged. So let's go over how to clean that filter. It's pretty easy, just take you a few minutes. So first thing would be make sure you unplug it and you turn off the water, and then you're going to undo the brass piece here on the top, and then we're going to pull out that rubber gasket, and then we'll take a pair of pliers and we're going to pull out this filter right here in the middle. There's a little thing you can grab onto. You kind of pull and twist and the filter will come out, and sure enough that thing has a ton of stuff on it that had come through the water line, and that was clogging it. So probably only maybe 10% of the normal amount of water was getting through. So I'm going to knock out any debris that might be in there. Maybe I'll blow some air in there too, and just want to make sure this area is super clean. This is the area when the filter is taken out. So you don't want to make sure there's no dirt in there, because that dirt will get pushed down and clog up the inlet valve. This thing in my hand is the inlet valve. And here's the little filter. I'm just taking an old toothbrush and I'm going to wipe off all that junk, and then I'll run it underneath some water. So that's just stuff that comes from the water pipes from the water company. They do a great job cleaning the water, but it's not perfect. So some stuff does end up getting into our water, and these filters help to clean out or avoid this junk from getting pulled into the inlet valve. If it gets in the inlet valve, it'll kind of ruin it. It won't be able to work. It'll clog it. So it's really good to have these filters. But this one was just really dirty. So in the time the dishwasher was supposed to let water in, because it was so clogged, not enough water was getting in, and as a result it wasn't activating the heater pressure switch. So it wasn't activating the heater, it wasn't getting hot enough, the soap drawer wasn't opening, and there wasn't really enough water pressure to get up to the upper rack to really clean the things in the upper rack. So by cleaning this off and putting it back in, we may get enough water so that the dishwasher will work. And if not, you can replace the inlet valve pretty easily. I'll put a video link in the description below on how to do that. It only costs about 45 bucks. So now I'm checking after putting it all back together, and the water level looks good. The water is up just underneath that white plastic filter handle, and that's exactly where it should be. So we're getting the right amount of water as it fills, and now everything will work. It'll heat up and it'll clean the dishes really well. So thanks so much for watching. Hope it helps you. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.